6 things a man should avoid doing for a woman. Number 1. Making assumptions. One should avoid assuming what a woman wants or needs without clear communication. Each person has their preferences, desires, and boundaries. Assuming can lead to misunderstanding and frustration in a relationship. Instead, engage in open and honest communication to understand her perspective and preferences. Number 2. Ignoring personal goals and aspirations. It's important not to neglect one's own goals and aspirations, to solely focus on fulfilling a woman's desires. Both partners in a relationship should support each other's personal growth and pursue their individual passions. Neglecting personal goals can lead to feeling of resentment and unfulfillment in the long run. Number 3. Disregarding personal boundaries. Respect for personal boundaries is essential in any healthy relationship. It's crucial not to disregard or pressure a woman into a situation that make her uncomfortable or compromise her values. Respecting boundaries fosters trust and mutual respect in the relationship, creating a safe and supportive environment for both partners. Number 4. Neglecting self-care. It's important for individuals to prioritize their own well-being and self-care routines. Neglecting self-care to prioritize a woman's need excessively can lead to burnout and resentment. Taking care of one's physical, emotional, and mental health is essential for maintaining a balanced and fulfilling life, both individually and in a relationship. Number 5. Sacrificing financial stability. Financial stability is an important aspect of a healthy relationship. Sacrificing one's financial stability or making irresponsible financial decisions solely to meet a woman's material desires can lead to stress and strain in the relationship. Both partners should work together to establish financial goals and make informed decisions that benefit their long-term financial well-being. Number 6. Compromising personal values. It's crucial not to compromise one's personal values or belief to please a woman or maintain a relationship. Upholding personal integrity and authenticity is essential for self-respect and mutual respect in a relationship. It's important to be true to oneself and engage in relationship where values align and mutual respect is present. Compromising personal values can lead to inner conflict and dissatisfaction in the long run. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.